Hi there, I'm Ann Milano, and welcome to 3303 Osborne Drive, Brookhaven, Georgia. Let's take a look inside.
Nestled along this quiet neighborhood street, located in one of Atlanta's most desirable areas with easy access to working in Buckhead or Atlanta, you'll find this luxuriously newly built urban farmhouse surrounded by parks and challenging golf courses in the town of Brookhaven. As you head down the cobblestone driveway to the double-door entry of 3303 Osborne Road, you are met by a bright, open, two-story foyer with beautifully finished light hardwood floors and forged iron railing leading to this home's second level. Directly ahead, you are met by the perfectly appointed banquet-sized formal dining room with tray ceiling and floor-to-ceiling windows. As we continue past the butler's pantry with a wine refrigerator and soapstone countertop, we enter the open great room with wood beam ceiling, a cozy fireplace, and a fabulous view to the outdoor living area. Here we also find the gourmet chef's kitchen with white cabinets, porcelain farmhouse sink, boasting Bosch stainless steel appliances with double oven, drop-in 5-burner gas cooktop, and a sharp microwave. Surrounded by quartz countertop, the soapstone center island with black and gold pendant lights finishes the dramatic look. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee from the breakfast nook or escape outside to the screened outdoor living area with a vaulted beam ceiling. The next space you see is the outdoor grill area, which overlooks the perfectly manicured park-like backyard. Additionally, on this level, you will find an office or guest suite, or as this owner is using it, for a child's playroom. A full bathroom and mudroom off the garage finishes this home's first level. Now let's head upstairs. Here we find the large owner's suite with hardwood floors leading to the spacious master bath. Be sure to enjoy some bubbles in the slipper tub or a hot steam in the oversized spa-like shower. The his and hers custom closet and separate laundry room with utility sink makes for a very smart floor plan. Now to the oversized ensuite with Jack and Jill bath that leads to the 4th bedroom. The 5th bedroom with full bath finishes this level. This home includes a finished terrace level with media room, office, or exercise room, a bedroom, and a full bath that leads to the private backyard for a quiet night under the stars. Head on over to stroll through the shops at Town Brookhaven with easy access to Publix and Costco, or get your workout on at LA Fitness. 3303 Osborne Road is the perfect place to call home. Contact Associate Broker Ann Milano at 404-966-3980 for more information about this exquisite find.